YouTube Adom 106.3 FM. Now send me a message 0556 748029 0556 748029. Yamfa naposo embreo. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. Errata Motors for the best car batteries and oil. Buy Speedmate batteries and oil from Errata Motors. Ideal milk, Ghana's favorite milk. Latex Foam, your partner for life. Societe Generale, SG Ghana, the future is you. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Agbeve Herbal Center. Why are you so fee? Nokuya Daruma. Ekia Boachua ya Adom Atenase. Ekia.
See.
Apom.
Ode achayen ne so ode akayen ho eja boja ye wo moide na chese odomfo no ede achayen
Ede gamiase.
odomfo no de achayen me kai a week today na started ye ball anti agede no so ni e bedi be share Monday na ni esi anyasi na se obekaye a ye sha ase no me ka sembi. And I still maintain near me can yen say the state o mine no ayetimu no e wo se o mine bonipa no atimu no ho ban nipa no asede wo kan yen constitution no a e kire ne me aso man ba pa e wo se meye e na kire ne o mine so ametimu no e ya ne yakoti US man penida there be kasa say enwene ne o mine be ya ma ho dwene ne wo be ya mo mine no nanso se duru ba bi a o mine no de ne say protect nipa no atimu no ye de niema gu akwan mu e be bo nipa no ho ban wo bra nipa na kwa anwunyehie mu no enye lelesu lalasem because boy no a wo no ye ne kasa ye no a sickle cell boy no Oka samba ko se menye obi a metumi srade enti ne maame no atua ne ho sika nyina wie se CJ enna me ba fidie so na me be ka kire wo se oh menya kwankoro yade bi enti me sra wadom efe mommoa me se nna mu gigi sika ne mame na se me de kɔ operation ye wo se yeye ebia ebedu baabi na kan sinsemu mesanya ba na ebia yasanya ya another appeal na ebi sukura sika no ansanso bie ntumi nya appeal no forever ebedu baabi no nipa no kura etie ne be ye fed up na mo de bia nipa ba ku ya mo sere hu sika but when the state of mine no ametimu no eniema gu akwan mu se ye wonyawa kese bi wo honomo ye wonyawa ye nim se sa yade ne se bosikani se bohiani obia na bebo ni bia ne hu sika nso e wo se etumi make provisions for sa niema no nobody CJ obia ni honomo a yade bi tise kokram yade ne eto no fumu mema de nyabo ne den ebi mo de sikafo ye fly omupoko eti wanimra wo so no waton wajapade nyina ne oso wo sika no waton wajapade nyina da wo ye wo hwe nyeye na say o man no tumi ye nhyehyeye se yade bi ti se bi a kokram sane ne HIV AIDS ye wo ho no mo se ye wonuro ne niema nuro a wo beje anyway eno fa me kwa betumi ade no let's make provision for sa niema binum sei
okay asam na
kan ya ne mamienu
enura Enumre, in fact, enura office and efiama kwata maklo. Ebisa me eje mami ne contact se obi asend sika bi ma abesi ne so. Enti ope mame no momo number no amede tu dwa no.
No they asend.
Na odi asend. Enti me na mede number no ma efia. And I was send number no sika no edema no. O send wie kwa no busam sa na mame ne din no say sen and am bo din ni che no o check no so okay. Send the buy no and one am so on Sunday fanko. I'm a team sorry be no me ensa ho na menya message Efia Mankwano no send a message in the mame. Na my main kind message, you know, it's a news story. Okay, I'll say it's with utmost sadness that I announce the death of Madam Agnes Dogbe. She passed away at Kolebu Teaching Hospital this morning, leaving behind her 2 boys. A week ago today, we heard the story of a 43-year-old Agnes Dogbe, diseased, bedridden, poverty-stricken, abandoned, forgotten, and facing eviction by her landlord. We were overwhelmed by the outpouring of support from Ghanaians home and abroad following the airing of that report. Within 6 days, we had raised some 60,000 Ghana cedis.
Wow.
Which instantly started going into the medical care and general upkeep of her and her kids. Others also pledged more support for the family. Things were beginning to look good from my experience with cancer. I knew her chances weren't good, but I was happy with the fact that she would live the rest of her days in comfort, surrounded by love, and never having to worry about the next meal, hospital and medication bills, or her kids being kicked out of school. I would like to thank everyone who supported. I mean, that's it.
You see, asema make an easy. Sikano buy by time me be no late.
Oko Facebook Adom 106.3 FM or Facebook Obehunu video. Mami aye kan ho asemi ni video. Na ye share video no. Enkoma me ne twetwen adwada no. Adwada ya nkoma me ne twetwen adwada ya yanko tie nkoma twetwen no na yaba yatoa so Ante Agnes Abaji bacho ude no sane ebo no
bacho ane
ati saying
yeah.
Jim FM. Bo mi mu kakra. Dem enfie dodo was saying ena sa yade yi atete wo anti agi.
Like ka konfie mi enu.
Okay, ka konfie mi enu. E sha se saying
Jim
FM.
Because next year, I say na situation ya me woman. If na ko say me ko. Ni ko tom pure water. Na me dey support en ko na no. If you want to say they be an married way. And some of them Koranico school.
Jim FM. Abotre, Toboase, Kafra. Jim FM. Kafra.
There's some of them Koranico school. Let me get past. I got Tomaji. The Tomaji, you're not time was on Kolani time was so. I send it just. And a Koye Diane and some of Rano. It's a mamma being in Libya, but that Jumana is the Yana with supporting Colanes. The family made a show. I may not fall back quiet, I send back home. How many would you name? Oh, boy, for you. It's not just I'm coming up for that time. She doesn't come in hot to me, the dada. Afina Mistremo. If you are so for so. For my penny for so.
Jim FM.
Abai. Obi Diara. Whom me mobo. Namon come moi. Namon boa me. Nami want to me to me. Nami to me shamemba. Mestramo.
Oh, I'm saying.
Because I'm a woman, Baku, over 11 years. Baku, over 8 years.
Ajuma Ben and now, ye, Asana Yadi, Kamato, now so to pure water.
Road, no.
Enti Bayan fear me, no near Yadi and count to her quite Ben Alfaso Shem and Mofrano, and Crono Mushamuti saying.
I know near someone until I met them more and no. I know me how no. Maybe a baby best show me more. I want me name Colania did you. Thank you. Almost so more Yawena. I mean, I bought for Kakra. I want you almost support a DBN. Yeah, not for back. That's why Pastor Obiya Boa. Oh no, anyway, maybe after that, for a Christo so. Monso mi munim paiba. Kasi mini o kasi kranka hunte menka.
For say oko Facebook obeka coach video no so make I say a role on Facebook. Na bia ma me no wote edan a wotim ene yawa wo femu oko Facebook Adom 106.3 FM el Facebook CC ya obako share sa videos no enyina antagi ukunu wa he
ila honde kaka menimuga kasapa ni ila
and this is a situation at saying Yariano Pempen so ben na edru breast cancer in him senior, but wo afemono Pempen so ben na Yariano edru sisia.
Sesiano. Pai bono. If you must say the city affairs no. A region so back from by me pain. Pain.
Jim FM.
I will call hospital. A doctor for say almost saying, "Quite be a bit me a faso asosa yari ano." So call hospital Antiagi.
Okay. Omi be so mi mo kakra. Omo mpa bonti omi be so mi mo kakra.
Kuse. Kuse.
How are you?
Ajagi kusewati.
Adom FM.
Kuse. Ajagi ebusiafo wehe ufri hin ankasa ufri hin.
If you vote region, me man really papa fi modeda. Yes. We are not crying from Obi and see me. Tell me, I'm go hospital. Because I'm a maybe try. I'm try me scan. Try me health true. Said the end. I be and almost say. Men pay 7 million, bra.
700 Ghana.
Ane. Money be. And to me, I see hospital hold you.
Jesus.
I feel not the phobia, the boy make a crime to me coy, and I make on swear. I'm on cash, so it's trembling, say. I'm showing no money to monsieur. Nico dress your clothes. Naminko she. I don't know. I don't know him the oil. Because so the aqua. Almost anyway. Nico and a quiet CGS group. Coffee. Five bona. Any more na any big page me. If you are to me, sorry, Mancasa means sorry, put a man and say.
I was at Adom 106.3 FM, your Facebook, Nako share. Mini Abbey. Valenti and Koma, Mene Agnes, Etrechain, Juade ya. But Menene ba and so a Kasai. Ne ba bemua when ya in fie Dubako. Mene Akorano so a Kasai, a Juadano. Yeah, Tigo Beshamami. Na Misha. Okay.
CJ, also, yeah, from the message I can you know. Yeah, can near my boom no. Sena benefit to me, yeah, be corner
60,000.
60,000.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. My youngest and come to chat and come on me the band to change, you know. Yinti and Samra. Okay.
CJ, yeah, Shusha Qualani, dear Noonim. Who said that no, ya maame me visa wa kumse ka so obekọ.
Yeah.
Ene mpanimfo e ka so mbeboa nyina no. Asem no, wa nhwe ya, obekọ asa bete wa koma na emom ne ewom oni se. Maame ne ti ase ani so anu osuo nyina ye nkwala no. Minya hoden na menhwe memmai. Ena wa me yehu so se sikasem. Etimi dem appeal na maye. This not the first time I may happy we say. Ya wonya wa hudu bi wo mayi mu a the state should take over. Health minister any mpanimfo aka yem policies no yemfa we nka ho yemfa nko na emom sika no a yenya no ye de etiefu etie ye nyina nim ni ahwefo nyina nim say ebiri bia ye bedi dwuma bi say no enye ne edi kan ni
Ekuya
enkontabuo ni ne wo say ye no ye ne osofo a wodi animu baaye eni mpanimfo e ba ye ni nyina ebekom ni ahwe empempenso aduro na emom na busuafo no CJ obi ahwe no ansi ha mebisa yesika obi ahwe no ansi ha tese mre bi dia esi ye abusuafo no obi ahwe no ansi ha mebisa yesika enkwala ne hwem ene yeduru ho sesei enti ofre mu no amanfi no na munim ba bi oda busuani bi ahwe ene wanfiri ni kurom wanfiri nkran ha wanfiri ba bi ama Adom FM ha sei
se wonim se abusua dofunu
wudofunu akona akofafunu no ba so beba ha bebi se ena mumu nko sofo no odi animu ni omu edi animu de baaye no enkwala ni ye die ne hia yen mu obi ama ha metu ye ho moa
enkoma me ni akora ne twetwen enie. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Emmanuel.
How is your mother now? What do you know is wrong with your mommy? Ima?
Cancer.
It's cancer.
Yes.
Are you able to take care of her?
Yes.
What are some of the things that she asks you to do? What are some of the things that you do to help mommy?
We help her change her diapers.
You help her change her diapers.
Yes.
And what else?
Fetching water.
Adom FM.
You fetch her water.
Yes. Going to collect food.
Where do you collect food from?
The pastor.
How does mommy manage to take her bath? Ima?
She doesn't take a bath. They bring a taxi to the house and they take us to the hospital.
She doesn't take her bath.
Doesn't take a bath, but she baths. She doesn't bath, sorry, because of the pain.
Because of the pain, she's not able to bath.
Yes.
And you are not able to go to school either because of mommy's condition. Emmanuel.
Yes.
It is well. Okay?
Okay. Amen.
It is well. Okay. Osofo obri yeboa. Ene sofo na wohwe ni abai. Beka ya adwada no menene twetwe nkomo. Ema oboye nkyiremu kwanye aye nua abai kura bedi ne nsem. Ene mmoa wode eboa no se wone nua baba ko a womu mienu no maka buma na womohwe ye nua abai. Good morning.
Good morning.
Nidi kan ye nyina ye nhedin.
Na ya hunso yako.
Nyina nso ye ma ye hunso yako. Adwada no me no kasai. Na wo ye nua ba Agnes nchen. Adwada no nkomo no achi no eden ne ko minim se okupia yaresabia. Adwada no na mutimi de ne ko yaresabia no ana da ben potin boye mu kakra.
I'm saying you kwakoye history no you kwakutwa no lab Friday no nti omu ka se nka Nyankopon ya adoma Monday yamfa na ma mehu doctor Monday na kasa ya no nti ya koye no na aboafo ba ho Madam Dorothy. The Dorothy baka say isi a no person ka idine ko hospital no but na the condition o woman na nye dina person ka Wednesday ne dina ko hu doctor. So na Dorothy so ajini foda no aba ko hu Dr. Penina o kwaribu na o ye surgical. Nti anumre no me ko kwaribu Monday na no param no kasawi no ko kwaribu. Timba bedu be awie no be 2 o'clock. Me bedu ya ma ho me kwa na so wa makɔhwɛ no so ye na musitie nti me ko ho. Ti me ko duro no na osini yam ye ne ya pa serious. Mbisa ne se
Adom FM.
ofa so nsu acha na ana osu ofa bi ache. Na misu ke bi be so nsu nti no de. Ma mehwe na mo mpa ya ma nti John ma bo mpa ya be 30 minutes no ka so ke si wa okay. Na me se me dawe ma bishan fo me san ba obi o. Ti mi nan ko wa me ma bishan fo na Dorothy fair me ka che me se amena fair ne se ni yam ye ne ya pa nti mi wo shi sisi a am so sisi a kwa na mi fi o ba ti ko na so be di adia na o ta pepa so ye di hu sa tu sa ai bebe for dia ne tu sa fi ene o pepa nti o ka she no se onya obedi onya sa dia na obedi nti bicycle and me de call SCC side me call o se asan me se na asimbisi ti wo she ya se me ya benya duani ni bia tan duani bia ma no manya mbia ni se me sa ba ni chama ka je ni se ya duani o ka so pe ni manya ntino ato vitamok energy one so le ono na ntimi ko anje mo ave so bitimi apepe bia ma no so okay ti me ma no vitamok no ana me ba fi
Adom FM.
ba fi no kwansin ana o fe me se be mrasisi a ana se two bicycle na be sa de ko ti ko no se ya fu ne wo no papa ana wa fo ba ko anti Dorothy ka se me fa no fa taxi na me fa no mrasisi a Monday now nti me de share taxi me ko a ya me fe abofa no mo ho no mo se mo ba twa mo aba 45 minutes no bi aba na me am so me de ne taxi no fa taxi to Kwaribu ko du Kwaribu emergency na ifoda no nsan se ekokodi doctors no ho no ni me nchanti o fe nurse ni bia o se ni foda we nti o mo na Madam Dorothy ni ba ye no baji foda no ni to go doctor nti o doctor bisa ni se de ne ha no o se no fo no ai ni ya pa doctor se ni ya sei na fe ko timi kasa ko sa ni fino na ja me jani chen na me kokro no ya botenya hu doctor dia ho beto yo timi so men sa se me timi ho kra no ya de ketwa ndi o mo ba na doctor ba na me se odi ni shobi si no na se na be ko e benya bed kra ma me ya daso no square ya sem be almost 2 hours ni nya bed
munya bed okoli ho
o msi kwa lebu bed ni wo ti wote hwiche ana mjana nchen Madam Dorothy jana nchen na aja doctor no na ya o to na juma nti itawa Madam Dorothy fa chiri se ko hu doctor bi wo surgical no abeso benya bed ya no ni doctor na ko tina ho no is almost there 2 hours na madam no boy papa yeah wadia ni so ko je
Adom FM.
no be ka tia no se no nya bed di ne betu so no se de nya ko kwase the doctors ni hwe na be Monday no anajo be 1:20 am Monday ade be Tuesday no ani nya bed ani de ne kotoso ni kotoso no na metini nchen sa mene madam no 1:45 ani ka sa ade chinje no ese e ba fini e be prepare on da no ada no boni paper ma na da ti o se e ba fini be prepare on na jamene ma me no Madam Dorothy etu Obia fa me fa text no so fa ne kana pa. Ti
so for memo atwa so amame na etifo beti akọ Facebook Adom 106.3 FM ewo Facebook na obehunu yenu abaya ye ka no ho asemi ne video ne tibia na owom ansana Yankopon eton safre no enrei so for amene ne ka say so for maami kodi ni nsem ono no hwe maami ya until say Yankopon eton safre no enra nti kwadom 106.3 FM o Facebook behunu maami no ne dem dan ya no dem behunu ne ma mamu amienu ene tibia nkasa na maami wowom ansana wo free mu so from bato to asoma me
anti aja me free hospital Monday na diabetes Tuesday 1:45 a.m. number fi be
Jim FM
8 o'clock number hospital Tuesday no jamami on sa na ja me try Madam Dorothy the one they say Madam Dorothy na be bo an be ka na me ni mi no nya na hospital once ni na ye nti papa no me yeti ma wife yeti ene ayi the can is a last shift also how much no to so the prepare ni na nti ba 8 na me wo ti ko ye no na utimi kasa kama na makache ni so no beto no onyanya me mujidi se gazo su so ya owu krampa ne ka betase nti no do nya jidi yakopon ebe na dum no na me ne be ka kire me sa wati asem bi asem no tie no eni ya panam su ati asem na wati stagi no sa ya ko surgical no ya kujika ko emergency no doctor ne ka kire ne say onu de onu ntimi haje sa problem wi no anje obewu ewo ne nsam nti odi ne ko surgical na surgical de odo ko wudi ana chese nyane nsam no wuye na msisa
na ndé na doctor no ehun ti ana wo ka sa asemi say obi
I don't know I say no oye ni pa bia ho oye no se mi sinka no de se oye observant oni ma nyina ni ne kasa yeso ka sa de yeli yenti no ti de o kan nyina do ka sa kire me no ana me o se ya de ne ba surgical no se doctor no se anya wono no so no be wusa case we be ba ni so me na be wunti ono no wanye to be san return din akọ emergency ana ogbo mama ni yesa na me so da bi e bia na yo bi foforo nkomo no muji na nya ne nkomo ntu no kana komantu ni yam bibia be yo okay jana fa na mani ti no nom kakra nti onom kakra na kan so be di dai onwa anka dwane ya na kono a obedi no so ko ba ka kire me nya batire timitene ncha na Madam Dorothy bai di mamene ba no aye jollof no aye light soup to ha be ka che say wadan fo abawo jollof pa wa ye dia ma ni light soup no anya le to no so okay ene manum light soup ni bi nje di ni simpa so ana jamesa light soup na mama na bi na no aje ba ku nto je atrema akuma ku be 15 ana ja odai nti Madam Dorothy ya no ni di nko mo ba nom de so manum su nti mada video ni nyawa me fonso na odi su no amana na wanom nti ejite no wa anumre no Tuesday anumre no ana e ka so okay e se dia dina ha koye no ye beko na ade chi asamba nti mi fi wo na bobe na juno be 9:30 bitan nchen ya because obi na wo nchen ufeni ni anu mo obi ampeso be ba nya ade nti no me anam tini chance nti na tete nka so kemi ba fia ba ya ho bo na ade chi a abeto aso nti mi ba fie no Wednesday na me san edimrika na me san koye nti mi kodu ano pa no bi san se ba didi o si dabi na me so duani ba no bidi no awusuniti na ho de no ntimi kasa nti wo daisa Wednesday no o daisa jese ana pa na mi kodu eteti ni de wantimanti ni kura hweme na doctor so atwetwe nuro se yenkoto nuro no yeso benya na faako bu akura be kokura na left no kura na nyejuma from 4 floor to down enye easy boss just ne sa nye me kopa sa Wednesday ni de na da je ne puso kura di wan kasa the whole day but home all right di wa me consult doctor The doctor said, "Mamma, condition no down. Me only ye, you know, on can be cheme. No, so on the machine be seen so checking the temperature and the blood in no so be okay. But to say be a pains na no tennis ano and be about for more to my day. Ada. I am see you. To me, just because I'm tonuru. Kwahako yewe, men kwa back for. Eti ebo be 8 no, cinema many tinani, 8 p.m. no tinani. But to home all right. I'm so clear, Miss I'm refie. I jam be fie. Nti am pano. I'm kasema kuhana papa. But na Madam Dorothy ne Madam Esinamo ahan diamond ne senka yem pushing ko na hotona. Kayen ko yini ne ma na fan ko ntino. Ndo speaker say Brahmin no na omra nyen ko yesa adwuma ne stebe ya yi na anya de ne ko new house na wanya no. Ntimi me yamagin say ka me kokole bu no so me ntwen no no ba. Ntimi twen no fie sa no ma be 9:30 ana frame say for taxi mrasi sia o kwalebu. Ana me fa taxi ko to an ko no te. Ko ayi ba bia ma me no ye de ne ko to ye no. Duru no si ma me na wu. Kwase na ma footsteps ma fa list me footsteps ne ko for no. Na ma pe pant. Duru kwase ma me na wu no. Se enyenya me na so makoma mu asofo. Anka ebi kwa me kwa kenya ba pa ho ma me. Nti mission ni kwenya kopan no. Super. Na madam ni super because Wednesday no ye hwɛ dra ye prayer ani nua ye koto ya ani gina on man ya to nuro be 1,005 so me Wednesday no ya de kyen Thursday ma me adani sabin kum so me ya bisu papa no so rade day eta sankopon ne on de ma ono ana eche tine class ma me nko ho me dia ni hwe ka eta ti go doctor na ayi Madam Dorothy Nika so ndu kofi ntino me de mentwen na jamia me so mentwen anti mo wona mo na Madam Esina so bae na so ke se be nde so fo na mo ja bedu de o doctor na de o ho se ye no yenye na so ye ye ko doctor se mo chinom de ne ko to no o se you kabi na eje receipt ni eje ni self certificate ka ho se de be ya e be ma abisha fo na omakun bi o mo je se ne da ti me je ana me ko ye kuchi me ko ye payment no man receipt no ti me ye no so be so ni be ba be sign na o ba je self certificate ni ne receipt no ya no so bo achi bi din o nti Madam Esina brother bi ba ho ama of fair in your bear no because I some kwa no ka kire no nti well lucky na sister no sister dia wawu na ye wawu no only this sister na chi oni yari mo no metumi sa no dia obebo akama ya no be sinya ma ba ku no ba ya duane ba ku bi jama no na me fele ka kire ne se sia no ni aba no emergency no da doctor si wo hia ne ho ni papa nti mo dia na omra odu ni do fe ko papa sia no ba you ko ebe faso ebe sama na kofi
na just phone so no wanka na esi ankyere no
that me catch na ko ma me catch na ko oba onto ba ya no beti say isi sana free mu kra no onko sign death certificate no o say the pressure bent onko I'm sure ebe fa left into no me onko ntimi dada na de ne follow no kudu top o am ko hu doctor and sana yekwe bibia ntina kupa tom Ebenezer to dia gudwini me mami nua ba no rest in peace yakko no
so for Adam ne menua ba Agnes kasa me bisa no ne kunu ho asem ema wo hye me bose nyame ya adom no onya hoden kakra yebeka one me bedi ne kunu no ho nkomo den na wonim fa ne kunu ho
ja yebesu ja me hwenkwan me koye no se no si yare dawo no oni di nkoma o timi kasa all right mbisa no sorry ewo ni kunu no ho asem no si ni kunu Ojana to Bemano cause of the situation no woman. Ajana ko. Jamame kaso fa number mama na me feni ko no person de be mama. Am kan so fa ni ko number na mama me so me jane hwe. Je won e bo ni hu no number.
Jim FM.
Me feni ko no. Ni ko ni kasa bebre se o se me asi ano. Ono wanya accident ama na ni ba ko abo. E o nto ni krum or hospital. Na me say na o yare yeso ko hospital. Eni na o yare yare. Na o me fa na ko hospital. No so for asem na say asem bay sabe o tika mu na wanya accident na wani eya yin dia otimi de o ko hospital obi de shi akọ na to so ya na be fan ntimi fan ko hospital no so de so for eche be kasa na o kache mi na so yo nti o mo na me san fre na kache nti sia no if you run to ni yere nti mi sere no o mo modin na o mra na yengo pe dan fama na yere no entinam nye san so dia baby o wono so fi so ye oka ya fa na yere ne mre no na one nkwala no enya sunji ko so fi wa no me so fo no kwa na mbere me be he ma me no biwa papa no take me din nyina fi o me ba to me fi nya ali ali tin so na o mo modin na on pe baby man yere no so okay nyina kasa ye no be me fa say 2 months ago my 1 week obaba no so okay me na ni 1 week na mo dia so beba 1 week ni so ye na me fair no ba me so for me nya djuma bia me gina sisi junction na me preach say me preach okwa me fa collection bonus was obi fa afọdịbọ be metum because nyasa na me so for the teme nti akani pa na koma ana baka chese so for dibito nso me nya djuma bia nti
asem
iska me ko han dan so ama we na jam nti bo modin na bra na ye hu kwa e be fa so be boy papa I bono wa ma nti obi dan bi na me ko nya uncompleted house na oso be jime 500 Ghana ndo na me ya imagine say kameta ma me na kwakoshe na actually ba bompa ya hwesi na me ma dum na manye ba bi ma me akwakochina iti nkubusa ho asem nkubusa na papa ni so dan ko na fa onya fa ma obi abio no kwase ne mani atata ni so se de obi di se ma me no hu na bushia ni me friend ni sister ni brother by o me hu se ma me ni da ho no ma me no ha chimbe ho porch na the ura porch ho na so beti mawura chimba ko ho ba bi ma me ni da na chese mi nim ni papa ni ho bon na whatsapp isu atu ogu ho no eso ajanya kupon adwuma waja hye nsano no
sofo so mame ukọ Adom 106.3 FM obehunu ye mami a wetwa nani ahwe ban ante Agnes tibia na wowum ansana nyagopon eto nsafre no obehunu dan no aye kamu asem ne senia ono ankasa na ne tibremu etie ebusuafo nyina epo no utie sansem ya sofo wo kan ya ukọ Adom 106.3 FM Facebook obehunu ye mami tibia no wowum sofo enkora no wo mo ho tesen
nyagopa de me no numre ne de me hu wo mo mba me nchen ofie na me dan me timo no chimba ho me mba be se 8 enne me yere mu na 9% ko mbe da akra so no me ya manya kwanti so ma me na Agnes ne kwa sole no ono na we fa nkwala ni se odomo kwa koda but no page me sorry me nya hu nti me ka se wi afi na me ko pen kwala chi kwan
o mati di esi
but you say
enkwara no o mati omunim ni esi
isi ade ma bo bia no so mo nkan kire nkwala no nti no no na isi aye hwe se ka papa na beba ba nkwala papa na beba na aja to papa na nim no ya hu di esi ti o mu ni se amina free
so for mame no aseni amfansia why
if I see you madam assi
nyina ya me ho ya akọ na minshira papa so for na minshira
de me kan so ache me nyu ma so for nyina se adwuma na ye no sebe ye wasole ba na ukromuni ana odishi bi na oka o ma ye nyina so for no cause also no taman ya ye ne sha ase no okwa so for na o ma reject no because of the because it couldn't bon to ko nya ko pena asofo na reject no.
Okay.
You know asofo say so ma set example no nyakopon ma set example to say na yenye nkusie.
Okay. So for me that's it. Pastor Obri Yeboa ena mene no atwetwe enkomo no na mensa ka Sami eye yenuaba Agnes ni fiura Sami akwaba
yeah
yedika yenyina ye ma ye ho yakọ kwa ben na Agnes nam so a wabeje dan ewo ufi Sami boye mu kakra
abe say 2019 and ono and the sister bi eba me ho oba no so onya dan nti asan say ni sheda any kind of thing normally I'm not focused on ba ni bisa o mun san kakra in kind of thing ni bisa so o kunu ana o ma mi ti ati say o kunu so ni kunu o fini chen kakra wa jan e dey no jan so in year na o yes one
Jim FM.
nti wa ajano Because someone of these come out.
Sami ma one so kakra man. Why?
One of these come out. Remember high down. You nikunu na ukuna onye no na this come out on family rented that. I see one of the man. You okay. In sister no dey under your can say o furniture engine you catch and say engine papa ko you this is unu ku amara mu yi ni na yo to ko funny brother bi ba so any brother or the only baba if you so ko ni brother engine to so no akako ye ni brother kasa di yeah Negrano, and then I will feel at that group, there been Negrano, they use baby. The one they did then again. I asked him to answer or the 1 hour no, a bought combo, a poor moon, a far down before a far. In fact, they be a do to and I did that. And so, Quanubanswa, be a teeny bonus about then if you know your police case, Yama, a big crime, standing brand yari, your Pumusana, Mudia Pasa, Yabajana to feel. It's a sending an infant.
Jim FM.
Kuna Bana, anything and cook. Yours. Ubia mbaho onini brother nko e dey asem be han kakra say manifestation sun na ba mebi and o say ni brother no e ha no na saka ni nyina no enufo na aho no e wo ne ho na fitiase na obae no ade no na apeja kakra nso me nim say yare do ni ka say bia sana mba na time so mo ti su bia ni di share bodies no sa na say bia nti in sheda any say yare the later on na any brand na start say o ha na then start say develop then say ni nuanu ade fi ho at the fan for hospital and Yamia Katra fine. I start letting me when I say into Quatra at the sea. Until Nini son of one Katra Eka. Among Bahobi, it is the car only brand now, Hanana. Until Nebrano. so kwanu basa no amuntembe pae ena okoisa ena samba bi
Okay.
Obaya no ena nyame tia se ni sister no ni kunu ayen kola no papa no na o kadi e wo ho en se sister no ni nya na waja na ko wasaba no oko catch papa no so person fa ka no ni juma yo san se papa no ena sister no e wo nkolanti oja ka no ma so di ko ejuma na saba obetini di abua mane.
Okay, Sami, hono yemfa ntwenchen chese Agnes betina fi hono de ono ankasa no wanda suban bia edi se suban boni bia edi ankyere wo se wo ye fiura.
Okay, nyan kasa no man kasa on there suban bia boni bia en sheda en panda daddy ibisa no onye bia we bufo de wo ho nyama titi de wo nso no de nye suban boni bia.
Okay. Okay.
But ni nuanum aye ni brother no ono na me ko say ni suban na okita no enye nti ni sister no empese ebeba ni nchen.
Okay. Sami me won sem bisa mienu mebisa eye no krese o ye wadwen se ubetu no afiri dem ho esan yare a wo yare nti.
Baby enye yare no nti na me ye se ni tu.
Na dentia.
So nangasa sana ni bra ha no no. Papa no on pese papa no obehu baby onu wo. Otufi papa no nche no. On pese papa no behu baby a onu Agnes no.
Jim FM.
Oh ade no. Eti ni bra no ekoma papa no lie say. Onu ni yire no atini ni fi ho. Ena papa no so ba ho na onu Agnes no on pese papa no behu oho. Jo ye say ni sika no sa obetu fi ni fi ho. But what me ase?
Me tia.
O ye say ni sika no sa obetu kra efi ni fi ho. Enti okasa no okasa kire ni mpremiensa. So person won fi ho. Na sana ni bra no so ye no. Ehwe a onu nkasa na ni nji. Enti oho na me ma no krata say you so opese ubetu a enyeji. Ubresu a na watu. Na ni bra krampo ehia edan atrene no. E na ni di letter man. Onu nkasa na no. E na odi kai say opese wontu efifio.
Ya ne ye ti ya ne say wo say ne cancer no na eyihwa ebon enti untimi ne ntina bio enti wutu no.
There be near omamu some information or wrong information. Mu buy no near me can't share mu. Me mu interview me near a can and ya cancer. Eti na me too no. Eti na talk me call police station, please phone help me na me name call kolebu. Me flow bi obi amba. No da me so. And na me so and na mu ti asem na enya me a obi enti. Sana dia ne ye no e ya sefe me ni flow bi obi amba. Ni ko for eta bom je obi apu na to me so. Eti e ba ka me di pressure mama mi na opeja no e di betu me so no. Ka say onu no ni no so onu no odi no ba be rent dan no. Na me flow bi obi amba. Eti se wan ba di e mepeja mami no aba be to me so. Because yare na aya no. In fact, yari nya ye boa obi an bibia oboa se obeye na yare no akọ. Now, that information that would go out then it's a very wrong information and yet. Wow, after I said Mumbra, no mumbe who feel ra, nya mimi na ma catch them. Sana ma mi limiti no, mumuni, and I say my cost in na obiani. It is musha sia na mumma wrong information or eh.
Sami,
fine.
Sami, mami mbisa ne tosu mienu, ufie ho light wo ho.
Me feel light wo ho. Na
meba Sami. Agnes dem ho light wo ho.
Thank you very much. Wa bi Sami asem. Nimba no onimia omo ye nkola no ye very stubborn. One, ni dem ho no. Nkola no timi sofa no sisu sa ati anapa. Mi pese mi fa we no mata na tibi no fa unkasa. Ni ekoso no no na be ka kiro.
Debi me no na kasa. Enye tenant bi anam me ne kasa.
Me person in control say, ni dam wo no. In kolanu esofa no sisu sa, omo ko toilet good dan no mu. Na omo ask people omo to e dey go ho. One mami ankasa wo ho ankasa ni o ya say, ni mami omo dware wo, edware. O dware wo dan mu. Enti mafato hu more than 3 times. My friend to be witness the dream. So be nyama me no ye. Oh. Eti sa no na asifin. Nyama bebre ekoso. Enti na me ati e ka che o say nyama bebre ekoso. But on the ye nipa enfumuso a. E banza na o de ate.
Meba enti adenti na utwa ne dem ho light nim.
Mo mpese mi ka che o say ni anti a mi twa ni dan na fan is so on top credit. On top credit. Me na me top credit from so long. This obeto ni sika so asa. And Ankola no misuse light no. Oh, time my ancestor obu pie kwa na ya suffer na so.
But say Ankola ni pie na ne maame no wo ho a, wo hwe condition na wo.
Mami no ni ho. Mu fa mami no ko ye no. And Ankola no di sa aduma no.
Omo fa maame ne ko da ben. Eye Monday ya na Tuesday.
Monday ya na Ankola no ya de no. And omo ani egu dan no ho. Me pacho me pese mo amu bra na mo behwe. Sana dan no mu ti. Anka na mu interview a na mo hu. Asasa mumbra o kasa esanka no wa na wa fra kola no na mini onusu ni na ye kasa na ye de but who disappear enye ese mumbra enye nya wati na o ye we bet bra na wan kasa we ni ewe na wa hu ni ekoso wo dan no o hwe dan no ni tibia sana ho ni na ye bola afa what in Israel?
But when say maame no hasam na ye kan kura ne de sebe omo ye minus omo nyansa be no omo nim enti say odem kura no ho abufu meba odem kura no ho abufu
mami no wo ho no mi twa aka na mu ekola no efe ade no omo si omo ye nkola na so omo ye nkola excuse me bibi ye omo wo ho na asem eti akola afe ade na feel sorry wa ke say akola no say ade na wata wa friend dey say kania no say na be ya almost me misuse fan no bio a boni na kania no so enyo no to gusu efira no to edi gusu ma no akola no to credit say kania no mu yanya ye to kania no eti say me ni ye wa friend adoye na ma to adia na gusu akola misuse a obehwe na wa misuse director me bi sao. Hello,
Sammy.
Me be so say what to no be misuse ah. Obama na wa kwaso aye.
No, but maybe issue and say when ya say bitima kakra mfa mama me ne mai. Na asese meba sese a wo de
wrong information.
No, Sammy, please. Tell me.
Information munya no wrong information. Mami no ma be fa no. Akọ Uti nida asema mi ka nida na me observe this ano na ma hu se mo to phone na ma ka di bia na no frɛ that is wrong.
Sami
yes
Sami my friends here
there be mi ka asema frɛ
my friends here why
there be nya o kan mi ya do ye but mu yi ma no e ya si
my friends here
it is wrong
my friends here Sami Agnes we free me ne landlord and yene no atwetwe nkomo no ko Facebook Adom 106.3 FM wo Facebook dan a ye ka ho asem no obehunu dan nim efie ho sane efie ho no mote ene baabi ana maame wote obehunu ne mba no ne nyina Adom 106.3 FM wo Facebook like page no na share stream no na afoforo so wo mo enye bi enhwe Ebia.
See, Fira ne de obi ani ni asem. Obi ani ni asem. Na abusuafo no po se wapo no. Na fie wura. Ono eno o ka se waye na famu de. Na enkra ha se yete no. Ebi mu agapade o mu didi hu nyina ayo mo dan. Obi de ni fie ni dwaso nyina no no. Eti fie wura de o twe ni twan a enye ye. Na emum me de abusuafo no ɛna saa brehwɛ owu yempo te sɔfo no owu yempo no busuani nkɔsan kura sɛ yɛde hye na ewu no ɔmpɛ so ɔbɛkɔ
ɔsɛ ne pressure bɛkɔ soro
ne pressure kɔ soro nti ontim frabro san no nkɔsan wahu
Selina Peli Agnes a wafiri mi nini aba Selina
yes
eti saying
nyame na dum na wonso
nyame adum ye ho ye pa
yeso nyame adum ye ho ye
Agnes oya odien a
oya menia
maame baako papa baako wona odi na chi ana ono no di wachi
ono no di machi mi
ono di wachi mienu na je se uni aketoa da be na uhu no da be na oni ni di nkomo
da mi ye ko mi fi beti ni kakra mi kasa wo fun so de.
When was the last time I went in the casa of phone so?
Saturday, date. Saturday be me in casa so date no. Me refi date no casa. Just let me check it.
Na unim so yare. Na unim so yare.
Na dama minimum. Nanso me koho.
Daben.
Me koho ni ko hospital.
Daben na ko ho ni ko hospital.
This really
Adom FM.
This really a pameni so kakra.
Na unim sa ne yare emu adin.
Dana almost frey no ye koho anopa bi emu aye di tam almost ni ye no e ne koho nti ye koho no na me kwa me ba me na me gu ni amenya me ho nti nti ama me akwa me ye basa nti fi ho no me kasa ye kasa alright
Selena munim say Agnes or the yawo and or the frame or the afrim it's answer down am ne kasa wo kire say mo abusuafo anuanom no mapo no nya dia mo hwehwe na kiri kwan kora ena magya wono ne mai nko a saa yade a yesai emu ena ode ho awreho saa de akọ wom munim saa Selena
offer eno die oka enye nokore oye yeti yare no ye njaija ni sise ye ma e biduane ko owu se ya ho odin bi enko anim nso ya ho fama ye bi ya mpunu ye bi
but Selena enye nwanwa say the last time I won in kasa ekura won kai the last time I kwosra no won kai the last time I won in the hospital won kai
enye so me kai o enye so me kwa me fi ho ba no me hu to me be si nan
Adom FM.
me hu to me be si nan da ben po me ko hospital enye say enu no kan egu ha no me my life me ko ho no enu no egu me he tama me fi ho ba mani so chini sa me sorry am it me nante. Me sorry I mean to me nanti. Me call her so yes me ni moja. And I me BP so kosoro. Yes ye jeje ni musa ho. Ofa. Enyina ye bi.
Munyina mu ye bi.
Ya de ko duro bi okwa se onye duro man. Ofa ye bi o. Yes ye ja ye nua no sa keke. Ntima sama ni woni.
But this abusia mate se wafrim.
Onira ni mire na asem ni bai.
Jim FM.
Anope ko na me frɛ yɛ ofa. Oh, Kinyan. Na me bona mani. Na no so se we tu kwan, nti obeba Sunday. Asama o.
Wonim baabi a ne ma no wo. Say ye ka say.
Esi o nkola no wo osofu maami bi ho.
Jim FM.
Yan fancy ya.
Yo, mate.
Yan fancy ya. Why? Selina Peli Agnes a wafiri mu. Ninua ba Penny, ninua Penny. Agnes eno di Selina ya menene twetwe nkomo yi achi mienu. Ena menene no atwetwe nkomo yi na minua Daniel Dazi. Ena se wo hwe video a ye streaming on Facebook a ono ne reporter okodi dwumason ko Agnes fie ho hwe video no beginning ona start report na egbowura ne dem ho ene ne kwatwe nkomo wo hwe Facebook Adom 106.3 FM Facebook sesi ya obehunu Daniel Dazi ena okọ fie ho ene Agnes ekwatwe nkomo ne dem ko hunu tibia wowom Daniel
Chief
apome
nyame wo ho wa say
yegudo
ana pay the answer in fact any da
meraho
men kan da na interview asisi aye Selina friend Selina
Peli
on it on my Mary home po abrodo because Chief them let me take you back to the beginning.
Good.
Yeah, well, on the CCI, yeah, Joy Prime Television, Prime them show na Yamina Adom Yesuma yeah. We produce cinema. CCI notes na me. Oba CCI. We produce cinema catching the way who some story be online na. On two minjino on two minyeshe. In fact, my segment on Joy Prime no, or a more political, or a more health political topic. No. Daniel, we have to do something about this. And we say, oh, fine. On found there. Yeah, political. So, yeah, caution. Yeah, caution, no. In fact, yeah, drew hono. Me, yeah, midday news on Joy News. Yeah, drew hono, me friend Elvis. My old friend Elvis. Me boss, the moon to me, news, no. I die, you win. Area be Juman moon to me. It's now me kasa. It's Yen Kase. Now, in all of that, Yen Kase, Yen landlord Kase.
The landlord Samin.
The landlord Samin, okay. Thank you. Now you can go bien. So Yen Kase. Opia said, Mammy, no biao. In fact, the uncle crew friend Davy, her name is Cecilia, but Davia no be as a friend. Davy said there on Oboa Agnes ma worker higher than no be 4 or 5 months on Agnes na what on Agnes Otonusu or SCC Junction region. So be 4 or 5 months no okoni dem rather dey ehu in yema the first thing be sharing the we soaking a white bed 2-3 weeks on fan san came once na agada wo ho eradem ho a mosquito nest bi enyema bi a ye fish what we see ho for a bear 1 month no woman was so fufu no o second no wabo fin Charlie, if I think about what I saw in the Nyema Gugu Passage, like a human beings living a realm, a radimwa, winging pump, what I do. Wongin pampa sebi or ye rags in
Tamago
into Magun and tear that down no Google ho. What catch him was there? Men for no free summer. What catch ya chem? Also men for no free summer. And who them to Maguna one bob wash a corner when senior or your fufu is white.
Jesus
I was saying because her breast has leaked so much fluid. So much fluid. Esha, you can't even stand there. Men to me put nose mask. You can't even stand into me home. You ask yourself that this person have a family. Who is responsible for these people? Obi a wa yen wedding or kuna wa yen wedding. Oh, kuna wa yen wedding. And this and also on you kuno home, but they be a 15 cities or the man no friendship on friendship on an baby.
On you kuno one na 15 cities na ben you know the man.
Chief, it is on tape. Jesus. Video now will stream Adom 106.3 Facebook page. It has sound. Inti obey me do the one post into her. Now one tea as a man of America. That means a munhu chede munhu eju munhu mo sa munhu amenya munhu mpo. Inti ya oda napa. The penny was last week Thursday. Na yeze asemi tuga. In fact, I don't feel that one as I didn't even come to you the 1 year story, no. But Mohana Martha from the we who story.
Yeah.
On so pede nkofubwa. I don't feel tell you asemi. It got to a point I had to deactivate my SIM. Nkofu friend from Holland. I wanna word team and Iceland and Holland, Denmark, Switzerland, UK. I'm reading a list for you.
In your course,
Germany,
from all these countries,
brother, Germany, France, US, Italy, all over the world. Obi say, hey, brother, me hui na more kama kumampo ine. Obi frame pa onye de sika open obi bonko bo fama me no ho. Na no te den na why den obi wo ho pa otu me fra na okede sika no manja maso menya cancer. Oh yeah, people were that passionate about it. They want to help the woman, so I should pick their calls and give the money to the woman.
Oh,
Nyamina do in a matter of 6 days, you get 600 million, 60,000.
60,000.
That is the minimum figure I'm telling you. In a matter of 6 days, so people were passionate about it, but unfortunately, Monday nesibe catch him there. No, in fact, Tuesday nesibe catch him there. Monday nimbe na agike there. Ne yefuni aniyo. See, I'm go hospital. That time, they didn't cut it down. I start a lab tests. Until say, since I work at the hospital, it's okay. I was so confident there. You been your corner, after all this, you know, Mama Giaban and the boys say you wanna casa and do Ghana funina say. That was, I'm telling, that was my aim there. A few months down the line, you need Boba Studio, then you need Chima, Joy, Doom. This is the woman. Because any pictures, not say any current state. Hey, CJ, Nimpan say you. Oh, Nimpan say you now. Or Cass, on you recast some point, she can't finish a sentence. Or Cassama, no, I jump. Was it? She wins.
Pain.
She wins in pain. Or give you Cassama ish. No, I can't. It's only one other person who I've seen talk to me like that. She can't finish her sentence. It's only one since I was born. And because Casa they on your
no, no flu.
Yeah, on your Casa na yezigiza. I mean, so in all of this Monday now, Wajenko Hospital. Wednesday no more baby na sibe Sameka and Daniel I didn't know because the woman is unconscious. On you, but still, it's your confidence. People are calling. People are. See, Thursday, in fact, Thursday and Apano, I just put out a story there. We have raised 60,000 Ghana cedis and we are so grateful. After that story went on my journal line, maybe a few minutes or hours, AC text him there. When you hope you.
Did it? See, adwuma no a didi aye ye nyina ya ka bomu aye no ye mpesa adwuma no be ye adwumasini na me ka ne ha no pay say wow ukoye you heard about family no sani o mase treat maame no pempenso a ye duru no se ye ni family ni be deal wo bibia ho a ni ye duru se emu no wo ho no mo because enra sofo no se obi nsan kra no busuani ni se ne pressure aba on pesa obesan tuni
Esinam you were there now
I was there yesterday at the hospital with them so your friend ebusian phone that was in the morning it took them about over 4 hours and son and sister ni idu hono. No by yesaji until by ni ye or yete yesena or 5 other siblings or mutin crying. Hey, I end the name say
Ninianum 5
and cry.
Hey, omunim senior. Omunim so yari, omunim ni tibi and bobiama. And see ye ne number. And I have free.
To go see any casa is your I'm not here. Selina Pelino.
And see ni brother baku number. And a madam fubia or boy and kaka friend Christian Yamado. Or friend no. Papa ni catching why memes on the on to member. A year my dream me ya. Because ye question my movie last week Tuesday ye name fi baby but ya benya odo bia mano. Enti to think so onwa nebusia for ni nuanom bet me your phone so abo amanye say o sister na pay we free mo went to me and say oh na nkola ne dia na yen first no kind on the on to me mo that was it and madam for no business I didn't know to me but obedi madam for na tem na madam for na catch so you stupid boy pa excuse my language because na ni boefu because yen ma ye strangers aye ni mami we mfi baby akra no yen cry ye tete na ni nuanom. Uncle signing death certificate cry Daniel Sam was on the pressure was through ni sister ni pressure was through to me nko meanwhile nyame adom ni adom FM for listeners contributions yet meet here hospital bibia intini e train so mombra ni hand over much fi ni cry dey betua mamu mombe signing death cert na me monko hu bibia de mo sister to omanye ansani efio
enti ateno when misa baby ankwala no
when bisa obi mbisa se nkwala no omo him because already na ya pe baby ama omo enti yenye obi an onu aduane ma oma na pa ewia enyumre ni nyina free contributions ya ye di sage man and no anapa for some time na me try say me reach ni kunu no o friend na no answer and no anapa incidentally me friend no offer na me kan so ni re ya repa house enti me streno on kan no nombra ni mati strangers enti on be hwen kola no osi on the onu so yare na sisi akramene ni ka say or ko hostel and no crane me bufu ye make can be no pa I wasn't supposed to do that. I know it was unprofessional but I couldn't hold back. Osi or cause and I say and so dey when ya ho wo de ho ko hostel akosa ho yare
na wo
yire yare academ o ma and e pepa ma mi ho sisa ne diaper ni we umfi
enti unim mpempenso aye duru no didi sika no near listeners
I want to find out something. Sikano who is in charge? Why na Sikano? Say nkodi ebusafo no ho a I'll be very happy. Good.
Enkwala no didi foto a ye betumi di aboa wo mo se found bi kwan ye betumi afa so na ye secure nkwada no wo mo future the near future kra ye say o ma disua mu baby e wo so o motena because say ye ani tu abusuafo no so abusuafo no say obi ayare o ne sister Selina so oyare wonu mi unim baby a me so meda be nuru atwa me ho sister so oyare be ma ne so oyare eti ye ntumi fi ani ntu o mo so enti no se bibia bedi ye ho ye adwuma ne sa na eti o eto da wa hwe ya kwala ni bi kura ho adu no be kwa kwatena fie stage adru no enti enna maka se no mo ntie se sika we say wo ho eti we are waiting ni obeba ye twen no
asem na aka no it's your mom dey odem share and in fact people are still donating what about Joya and what about Adom they will show them most of what to me donate but still share there you bring your clarity with death certificates in fact ana pay on prime morning na ye bohun komode at least Department of Social Welfare or the
Gender Ministry.
Gender Ministries. Yes.
Now share. Now this case baby I been there 2 boys no.
Yeah.
Because these 2 boys one no bro fumpo.
Sir.
My men can ne crew kasa kachi no. Now boys no one can bro fetch men can nada.
What that only Hannah Mene Emmanuel Penino Emmanuel.
Brilliant
yes, very brilliant kids. Very
brilliant.
Bro for them in kind.
Also Oma Bre, they've been abandoned for so long so they need a fresh start in life.
Yes, nti fiera na sama na woka and na abehwe dem mo sani omo sie ho na. You know, situation bi wo ho no ma ukomu wa abrabom a wo re fikura sa osekura betwitwi. Wo se aduane kura we be fi so obedidi
ebi right mami ka se mi cho
won
mami ka se mi cho mami ne wa untu mu manu mu do agi she can't sit up anapa so do otu manu mu do mpo do it's na ho a number boys no na wo manu mu do and why and there physio nti esor kakra na da kakra
boys no na yesa adwuma nkwala nketua no omahu asem
wo sor kakra na wa da ho kakra wo sor kakra na wa da ho kakra before she can sit upright obi o tire no o den chuchu ne se obi a o
den gwar
o jare na gunu ho so anchi gunu why the baby o den gwar o den chuchu ne dem ye I was sitting there, no, offer number boy and there, offer one of them the only suma no. Boy no put no boy in sunuma. And it was so natural for the boy. I said, "Oh, get me water." No done who know you no boy. It was like a natural thing. Yeah, well, why na boy no odi kopot si ho, no di ejatum.
Enkwala no.
Oh, bojanim.
11-year-old boy.
11-year-old boy. Oh, no. And I'm saying that in there, them situation and it shows you the devastation we have in society. Ghana, you can get totally lost somewhere. Ghana, we are communal people. But since people can leave their villages, come to Accra, and come and get lost. Obiani maybe a war. Obiani maybe a worship. Nobody bothers to find them.
No.
Or they will just suffer inside. The number of people who are left marginalized in our society.
And we can no pay CJ say. And yen nipa ni nyina na benya the opportunity to come on air. Yen nipa ni nyina na benya the opportunity to tell their stories for people to help them. Entu nim. Eno na make us say society o man no ayetimu no. Enka social welfare wo ho. Ye wo state agencies are way to me so omase say social welfare no ye wo baabi a sa nipa omo ho kire omo say ye tumi di omo kwa kanya ni say fiewura kra pressure abeka ho etinka sa nipa ne de ne call na ministry of health so no ye tumi de niema gu akwan mu say nyawa bi ti say cancer nyawa bi ti say kidney ne edu ho nipa ne ton na japade ni nyina na afi ne ho ache no ka state no nsom to say HIV is the no yen somnia mo asa nipa no ma me nya help ntemo a ka we yensi
adano
so Daniel na ye wom no en favor ye
me line me phone line eto me be so Dwaso Nsem yai na the number of calls are minya ene ni ankofo ekomu ebu amepon I think on Wednesday and on Tuesday me pon na as a consultation and go for a good and him one more training issues niema nipa binum wo mo fema obi wo honoma ya be 200 Ghana cedis and now 500 300 Ghana cedis e betimi solve the problem nyina akokra bi oba me nchen ne nan ahono na me hwe ni sa oso pe 150 cedis edura ya trama nini so immediately I went to the Momo shop. Let's get on $100 na me use free me wallet. So na me the man. Na me catch and say and nempo on Simra. Na yesterday he called and he was thanking me as if say mama no be 10,000 Ghana cedis.
Obi friend me no show no say visually impaired
no show me.
Of say the computer audition ade wo school no asay. Ope so no kasa so betumi abona. Second person so friend me wayara that them 7 good years.
So for how long? For then why you juma we me debia me ka story we me obi beto akwala twene ye ya me ye so ye mo akwala no wi ase no social welfare fo mpa asem kan say fa akwala ni kofie na ye ni baby ye beje akwala na to akwala ni di me ho be 1 week CJ enti no say ya nyan hye ye wontumi nto aso da bi obi aba wo se je 150 obi aba wo se je we me ye madwen se sa de we meye bi no afi de Facebook wo ho a we de maka ha say wo send this kana sa na ni nyina no e ye fragadam
but my question is your national health insurance
aim them
NHIS
Gender ministry is supposed to have Gender ministry is supposed to have a breast care fund. Women from the low income brackets can access to help them, but then why name
Nah.
Bibi sa wo ho.
Osie dem fini fie wo wager to me co gender ministry so be ama me say we anyway na ye me nti breast care fund na mo ka ho asem na nti na me na ma ho anim.
Another thing, even them Thursday night, you did them story to Ghana. Them na kwete nate. Ni new documentary now.
Yes.
In the breast cancer drew war Kolebu. The 3 foundations. The Roche International, National Health Insurance and Ministry of Health. What can one tear bomb? They made the main mobiantia. Memobianto. And paso Eco Hospital Perceptin. And paso Eco Hospital ha. Ain't you but there. Oh, users facility user fee.
For what?
Able to enter them yaman and book
250 to
300 Ghana cedis day 8 year. Into Obia or need daily stipend are obizubo at 15 Ghana cedis no. Obey then now access because you see Nyansa or war Misebio Nyansa or war them accepting our for who connect there. Unkofo wa won't to mean to yasike bia. Into Waba Hospital, or the Wotum Wunya Edruno, na wafa. But Nimpa only share because of that we wafe drone cono. As the coffee fra feature, don't you? Yeah, and that's what's
the
happening.
barrier.
So you put the barrier back there because we're trying to remove the cost barrier for people to come in. You put the barrier back with another
user fee, facility user fee.
Yeah. And you see, and so yes, the question is that health insurance, there are arrangements there. First of all, the idea behind social welfare, Chief, is that there are people who, first of all, even if they are strong enough to access the social welfare, they are marginalized. Chede, one can. So you need to make an extra effort to find the people. One, educate and empower them. No one there. Them interventions see what be what home power. This so Nsem.
This is how for that access.
Because these are people. They're marginalized in society.
Look at the state of our leap.
They're marginalized in society. No. Oh yeah, won't be what society. No. And you realize sometimes, Jerry, you realize that sometimes a book will be a only share. The amount of money the person needs is probably even less than the transportation to come here. But Nyansa no bohu there, although the madi and the insights although the madi, the person will have. The person is not empowered to that extent. So the essence of social protection is empowering, finding these people, empowering them, and then help and then bridging the gap. That thing is not done. You set up a fund in Accra and say that Nimpano or Wale onhu there Ministry for Gender bi wo ho a wo botuma boan na onfa phone in frɛ hon phone onyi bi ana ompeka nombra so bi amba ana payetna office ahenanyi ye solve crossword puzzles ye stake lot on e boludo. That's what's happening.
Daniel Dazi, host Prime Morning, SNM producer. Mamenda Masi. Daniel, you guys have done great job. Mabwe Juma papa. Mabwe Juma papa.
FM listeners. Yadamunyina si because mo boy papa. Omo frɛ donate omo frɛ bisa mama na say Ghana has yenya calls from Bebia, Italy, France, US, UK, Switzerland, Iceland, Netherlands, Denmark. Yadamu nyina si nyame nhra mu nyina na ne mo ase bia nyame mfa nhye mu mamomo homo yadamu ase.
Adom 106.3 FM naposo and yade ebreo no Shannon Sumame Duraplast, where Duraplast goes water flows. Errata Motors, for the best car batteries and oil, buy Speedmate batteries and oil from Errata Motors. Ideal Milk, Ghana's favorite milk. Latex Foam, your partner for life. Societe Generale SG Ghana, the future is you. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Agbeve Herbal Center, Wayare Sefi. Cobblestone.
CJ. Anopay Mera Hopa. And said I would can no Yamisha does in Esinam. You'll be a cassette radio get resource. And I think resource are and they airbano. They may the woman say abrochefo Ghana fo bi a sebe omodo adwen nipa ho agye atum se ombeboa oba no ene ne mma na me de me de hyede ba ko pe ene se enkura ne de ese ne ade di pefe se sebe omo ne abusua de omo enti ebeya obi wa abrochire baabi obi wo ebia France ho obi wo Germany ho obi wo kuro bi so no betimi abefa nkura mienu no se ono ane ma anana this year
yani beje papa
me mani beje papa na o de form ko o to mu school so achi bi o mo be doctor fo bi o
utie nia ne sister Selina yin ekan na say abusia
ye dia we hosem to nchen ya ne sister no nye serious ba kokura Gano kasa no se onye serious ba kokura o nipa boni nipa
na wonu nua ba sanya dwembone na wo a won kaida wo frɛ no po won kaida wo kosra no won kaida wo de ko hospital wonnim babia ne ma no kra wo wonnim tibia wonia ba na
kra se enkra no say look at that
wonya sabe na wom
uye nipa
na wo so wo abusia
nto no wo ma sebi wa woda
wonia ketewa wo
a oyo ba o
yaresei
obetimi awo oba wo ma akora isu woni dem se de nkura mienu esu woni
kwabna sa ukoto se obi boni abusuafo atrimoden a aya bisam
I mean oyini pa boni ni ankasa
ukoto se obi ebo na abusuafo atrimoden a
yenya de sa
aya bisam
yenya de sa se de abusua ne de se
aya bisam
se abusua do funu nti no ese na funu kura mu ntimi nkwanwo
Mama can messages kakrana minja mumamo. Danny Yate or say you are really Adom FM. God richly bless you multimedia. Daniel, nyame enshira won so
Adom na ndom wa. What is Adom na bedom wansa.
Joyce Boatima or say please don't give the kids to the family else they will treat them as what they did to the mother. I know if they get information about the money, they will come for them. Please, please don't allow the family to take the kids. Joyce Boatima, thank you very much for your message. Trudy Asari, I said, poverty is death trap. And a Trudy, so the Amayan, Ish White, and so sharing on Facebook. Akasa Noma. I say our institutions are all flawed, period. And also they are bringing Eva Owusu was a very heartbreaking story. Even so Edie and no Jocelyn Ajua Drua. I say God, please. I say God bless you, Adom FM. I'm a woman and I feel how it is. May God grant these children favor and care for them for the rest of their lives. May she rest in peace. Jocelyn Ajua Drua and so at the end no SCS now say please don't give the money to the family please and also the end no Mark Brandt say may her soul rest in peace. God bless the pastor who took care of her. And also so the end no family institutions in Ghana, will they leave big cars and help the masses? Obidoba Efia or say mame mo on also so there or the buy and Christian Ama, the husband is a very stupid man pa. He is the cause of the death of the woman. Adom STEM or say so how does our leaders in Ghana think about the needy? Oh, too bad, so sad. Are we that selfish in our era so the aba come store no come and crab akwa waka I crado Adom Sports page 1